Dynasty 703, continue approach, additional traffic departing. Philippine 1206 radar identified, continue climb runway heading, flight level 350.
Continue climb runway heading 5150, Philippine 1206.
Dynasty 703, Windcom runway 06, clear to land.
$1,000.
So Philippine to the Farmers, walking 0634 and requesting for descent.
Philippine 23251, radar identified. For the meantime, maintain flight level 410, you're still too far in Manila.
Maintaining flight level for 1, Philippine to the Farmers.
Philippine 1206, direct Ipata.
Directing Ipata,
500.
Philippine 1206.
Philippine 2864, after 13, direct Lima Lima 611, cleared ILS runway 06, report established localizer.
After 13, direct Lima Lima 611 for ILS
100 above. 300.
Philippine 1023, continue descend 10,000.
Continue descend 10,000.
2 minimum.
JG Air 224, continue descent flight level 130, unrestricted,
100.
Manila QNH 1013.
Manila QNH
50,
1013,
40,
is your maintain flight level 130,
30,
unrestricted.
20, 10, 5.
Auto brake off.
Philippine 1803, continue descent as published, cleared for the RMP approach runway 05, call is final, and updated QNH 1012.
QNH 1012, continue to descend as published and will report on final, Philippine 1803.
Dynasty 703, welcome to Manila, continue right, Charlie, cross runway 31, left Delta.